Happiness. You won't believe what I saw just now.
Who did you see?
I saw your husband and a girl inside his car.
My husband?
Yes,
and
I saw his car. Exactly. I saw a girl inside his car.
You saw my husband?
Yes, I saw your husband at Victoria's kitchen. It's just now, a few minutes ago.
Is it my husband that you saw or his car?
I saw his car. I saw your husband's car. Your husband, his car. It's the same thing now. But the most important thing is I saw a lady inside your husband's car.
What type of plane is
You know what that means now?
For your information, I don't know what you're saying. My husband that you are talking about is inside the house. It cannot be my husband.
Wait, Happiness, that's not possible. I know your husband's place number now. I saw the car in Victoria's kitchen. I saw a beautiful lady inside the car. Go back and check.
Calm down. Let me tell you, that car that you saw, your husband came to my house today to borrow my husband's car. So it's your husband that you saw, not my own. So you should go right now and make sure that your husband is not with another woman, because he came and borrowed my husband's car this morning.
It's not you.
Your husband is inside.
He's inside. He's watching TV inside.
Hey! Hey! My husband!
You think say they wise?
Look at her. Yeah, my husband. Nonsense.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.